In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product ads in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, scroll-stopping ad you can use across social platforms or for online stores. First, open Canva and choose a template that matches where your ad will live. You can search for product ad templates or start with a blank canvas size for your platform. Picking the right dimensions up front keeps everything crisp and avoids cropping later. Next, bring in your product image. Upload it from your device or drag it straight onto the canvas. Once it's on the page, resize it so it becomes the hero of your layout. Use the corner handles to keep proportions intact and let Canva's smart guides help you align it neatly. Now, set the mood with a background color. Click the background and choose a shade that complements your product and supports your brand. High contrast helps your item pop, while softer tones can feel more premium. Duplicate your product image to create a stylish reflection or shadow effect. With the copy selected, use the flip controls and choose Flip Vertical. This turns the duplicate upside down. Reduce its transparency so it looks subtle rather than competing with the main product. Then send this softer layer behind the original so it sits underneath, and nudge it into place to mimic a natural reflection. Small adjustments go a long way here. Aim for a realistic offset. It's time for text. Open the text panel and drop in a preset that fits your vibe. Presets save time and ensure good typography out of the box. With the text selected, explore Effects for depth. Simple shadows or lifts can add readability without feeling heavy. Update the text color to match your brand palette and type in your headline or offer. Resize the text so it balances with the product and doesn't overwhelm the visual. Then position it where the eye lands naturally, often near the product but not covering key details. To polish the layout, open Elements and add simple lines, shapes, or accents. These visual anchors guide attention and frame your message. Place the element where it enhances focus, resize it to stay proportional, and reposition until the composition feels balanced. Keep elements minimal so your product remains the star. When everything looks aligned and intentional, you've got a clean, professional product ad ready to export and share. Save your design, keep a version you can edit later, and you're set.